different methods of generating the time-based waveform. In that, very first was exponential charging. Second is constant current charging. Third one, the Miller circuit. Fourth one, Fenstrom circuit. Fifth, bootstrap circuit, compensating network, and inductor circuit. So in that we have covered in the last lecture the exponential sweep circuit. Now exponential charging. What does it mean? Exponential means whatever the change is occur, it is exponential one. Capacitor charges through resistor and it charges exponentially, not linearly. ठीक आहे. लिनियर चार्जिंग म्हणजे काय असतं, एक स्ट्रेट लाईन मिळते. व्हॉटएव्हर प्रत्येक पॉइंटला तुम्हाला एक स्ट्रेट लाईन मिळणार, प्रत्येक पॉइंटला प्रोपोर्शनल चेंज राहील. एक्सपोनेन्शियली म्हणजे काय, कॅपॅसिटर काय होतोय, स्लोली चार्ज होतोय. ठीक आहे. सो प्रत्येक टाइमला काय होतंय, स्लोली त्याचा व्होल्टेज चेंज होतोय. सो स्लो चार्जिंग ऑफ कॅपॅसिटर इज कॉल्ड एज एक्सपोनेन्शियल चार्जिंग विच इज नॉन लिनियर. सो नॉन लिनियरिटी म्हणून तुम्हाला एक असं एक्सपोनेन्शियल कर्वेचर नेचरची वेवफॉर्म मिळते. सो ही कशामुळे मिळते, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ the network is consisting of one resistor, one capacitor, and to the capacitor we are going to apply one voltage through switch. Okay, and here it is a DC voltage. External DC voltage is applied to the capacitor through R and C. When your switch is closed, then capacitor is in discharging mode. Okay, and when switch is open, capacitor will charge through resistor R and it is charges exponentially up to some certain voltage. When it is charges to some maximum value, the polarity across this capacitor will get reversed, and if we close this switch, then it will starts to discharge. Okay, and discharging operation also takes place slowly, and this is nothing but the exponential sweep circuit or the voltage time based generator, where capacitor starts to charge through resistor R in exponential manner up to some certain voltage. When switch is closed, this switch may be your BJT or FET, which operates as a switch in cutoff and saturation region. So this capacitor, after that, when switch is closed, capacitor will starts to discharge, and as soon as the sweep voltage reaches to its predefined value, that means whatever where it is started from, so it will reaches to its predefined value when switch remains closed. So these are the simple circuitry of exponential sweep circuit. It has some drawbacks. Drawbacks are what? The linearity is not improved because you get some exponential charging, and for time based generator, linearity is the basic parameter where it says that your sweep voltage must change linearly with respect to time, but here the voltage is not linear, hence which is the main drawback of this sweep circuit. So we prefer next circuit, that is Miller circuit. We'll see in the next lecture. ओके, सो यामध्ये आता आपण काय केलं, रिव्हिजन्स कव्हर केली, रिव्हिजन पॉईंट कव्हर केली जे लास्ट लेक्चरला झाले होते स्वीप जनरेटर रिलेटेड, ते आपण सगळे पॉईंट्स कव्हर केले.